So we've had an opportunity through the Inclusivity project to look at what our staff and our volunteers feel about hybrid working. So on the face of it, it looks great. You know, we can give opportunities for people to work from home or in the office. We've got technology, we use Zoom and Teams now as though it was standard. But actually the hybrid working tool has offered a time and a place for staff to be able to come together and actually talk about what the impact of COVID has meant on their working lives in an inclusive way. So they've been co-designing with the researchers opportunities to be able to overcome some of the challenges around hybrid working and lone working. And some of those challenges have been about having to set up an office on your kitchen table. You know, our staff have told us that they're fed up with actually having to manoeuvre their breakfast things around their working environment. Opportunities for interaction and creativity. We're an organisation that really does focus on creative thinking. And what COVID has done and what technology has done is almost put a distance between us and our teams. So it's really difficult to get that free thinking going on a Teams meeting. It tends to be much more transactional. So staff are beginning to come up with ideas around place-based teams, connecting together, much more outdoor support, outdoor meetings. Many of our meetings have been turfed outside now. We're all walking in the rain. Doing our meetings, different ways of connecting with each other, trying to create lunch and learn so that people have an opportunity to talk off agenda about different items. So they're working together with researchers to look at a framework for what a hybrid working environment might look like in the future. And in doing that, being much more inclusive about age, about the place that people might want to live and work, about people's skill sets, about experiences, to become much more holistic and personalised about the way that we work. So one of the benefits of the Inclusivity project is that we've been able to engage other partners in some of that discussion. So as a voluntary sector agency in Cornwall, we form part of the Care Alliance with other voluntary sector agencies. So lots of the discussions that we've had around unconscious bias and around the hybrid working tool, we're beginning to have those and cascade those out to many organisations to be able to engage them in an inclusive discussion about hybrid working as we move forward. So people like Cornwall Care, for example, who employ lots and lots of care staff around the county, are involved in some of that discussion, as are many of the voluntary sector alliance groups. So for us, an inclusive workforce would be one which is about collaboration and curiosity and appropriate challenge and response and co-design. It would be a place where everybody's voice could be heard and an organisation shapes around it and responds to it. So for us, the focus is very much on agility, flexibility. So with an older workforce, if we want to keep that workforce and if we want to be able to encourage other older people to come to us, we have to demonstrate that we're an organisation that is able to support the welfare of its staff adequately and appropriately moving forward.